We are a bonus and Papa Moa. Then in the emergency anymore. Emergency if it's a semi debano, a idea emergency Rebecca Nutrition. A idea is here said put to Prumadia or say Ebegina and yes, I did. Yeah, corn son, a Holland for a free Holland nearby. A Holland, Ghana for Holland. Almost etiti ho wom na ye bia ye gina wom anamu ewo ahai ye gina wom anamu ewo ha se wom ntobo a wom edi ma yen egi nananom diye the Council of Chiefs eni nananom a ewo Holland se yen di sa adwuma we no no kore wom de boa yen yeso yen saka iska no yan fanhye botum edini nyina pia ba Convanochi Hospital hanom management team omo ha no no na yede sika no ebehye wo monsa emra so se nananom eni ye begina ha no ewo Ghana fo ewo Holland mu edin mu ne enso ya present ayi a kire amansan se Ghana fo ewo Holland no so no yenso ye ntobo akakra ye no ababeduru no so ne yenwie se ne amenu aka ye ayare sawo ho no hospital se yensi no ba da ko nwie sa so ne mfa airport so yensi ne ba ko so nwie enti kakra nya ye de ba ne nya $11,000 eni didi kan bae yaba se be twamfoni no ye de kokokire ye nuanom a omo etoto omo nsase no de boaye no ye ko ne yesa de akokire wo se me nuanom oyi ne amosoma ye no ye de aba awie se de aba wie de a adwuma no sa nya adwuma ketwa adwuma no so enti ye sremara obi na kan na se repetition of abundance makes a stranger laugh I just say ye de biom ti no ma wo ho energy ye sre enti se asamba e be sre wom se omo so no koso no mo wayen omo wantimi anya bia ma so krampo na bia na kane no o se me twen ahwe se nkrofo wom be ye no wom be di no krea ye se no kware no so ne yenso betena ha me no nyina e chei enti no kakra enti ayo ha no no e na me de ede amamu enti ye bota e di se ye no se ye beda who di akere Convanochi na who unity for no so unity so no ana so yase contributions e by na unity di mufa kese pa no na free Holland yeso ye de ba he se na dwuma wo ye no free Amsterdam na se Amsterdam ne den ha gon so no no so no e wo pa de na Ghana for do so ho no de na kwan bia so no omu so nya yimu na omu se omu pani pa so no wo ha no nyina ne other European countries no so no abegina mu bi se kwan bia so no yenhwe na ne a ye no eye no fe se ne be a ono so no bi a obesan to no boto mu biom e de abeboa na aba ne ma bi akofe so fefe nti we de mu bi sa me a kakra me de de emamo no medamasi
Nana insuo be board usubuatin ejenim ye otumfo ne dampra no hene nkoso oba Holland nso a dodo na me media kwanya na efrem President Bush ntini die insuo be board wontimi kan na Bush ofrem ya meji so na say assembly member Southeast District of Amsterdam.
The group CEO of Unity Link.
The following is Harry Rodrigo, Group CEO of Unity Link. Unity Link work Amsterdam, Holland, Belgium, Europe, London, any US in Onona Odano as Group CEO. And I mean, so your friend Apostle Dr. Wuheni, I be operating. I may your customer service head.
The chairman, Ebedas, said you mean young free Holland. Now, a Ghanaian Council of Chiefs in the Netherlands, in collaboration with Ghanaian community. A bra year that was November 2023. 2 days later, Anna Ohini, on the president of Ghanaian Chiefs, I am for free Ghana, name Omote Holland, Anna Oma form a crew. I just said, so ye radiabano, a yanocre, a papa, as ye know so. Meanwhile, I mean so many Opemsuo radio, ye do home come up and son, you were ebe luncheon, no, a waha. Into that is a basse, say ya badi yen na young come. If we say, if we are saying, if funny being kumishia near yardia, a jina dancer, barcobe, into a coyer, kama. Yeah, just cardia, then see who say, oh, and he am for pim. Then we went to Unity. Unity links way means rank make us remove by Western Union. Sanameka was about 33 years ago. Amsterdam, Holland. Na I said, even the CEO and also the founder name of Krano, if you say Chidumasi here. I just say, yeah, the cartoon, none the official letter. And so what you be called Ghana Embassy. Emma, and also a budget, a jitrums and pa, and yen in a baby. Anna Fedia Ahem for ne association, sorry, ya Aka Holland, yen ya kaboom, into ye no 2 phases. Ya pre-lunch, Den Haag, and I said, sorry, The Hague. Mechanic The Hague, and I'm betting ye make a canny dim. Ye sa adding tracos over Holland, Amsterdam, your baby, a Ghana for doors pa. The second a yin so ye Den Hague. Into the acquire say, okay, and ye becca start here through Den Hague. And the Holland Soprani administrative capital, and the king of the Netherlands, or backroom a kingdom, or Hinano a Honwati. And also conswa Asantehene or Holland, or also or Hina or Timin Senifasi, Nasa Kufuni Pemu, or also Den Hague, name a hem for Akania Hema etie. Tiani, ye bayani say ye free her, ne a baha. Tia ye Den Hague, dear we. Near Baye, young fan said the grand one, no, Amsterdam. Na Ghana ambassador. Minim si asasane dia be me ba no na wo. A friend Dr. Francis Dante Kotia abeka ye ho. And then Unity I did delegation a better you. Na sanke kind in average or multiplication. Sika ye nya ya ye de ba be ya adoya na se ye di kan dia ba no. Ke mu be 50% make us if Unity links. A bo mama ni. Even after that crowd, when you turn us and come on, there is more idea, at least your type a bit more boya may I then because Unity links no that's by say Holland no a bit UK almost about 17 countries within the Europe no more pretty then to the US North America. And you know ya diaba ya wie said ye were Asantehene was a hospital in Simi. Debia, it is a son at ya Jeffrey call for her. Ye nyan share done your proper account to them. Cause one person muhu. Uma discount, and now my any day. Ain't ya diaba or much letter and buy, you know, by any official email, even though ye the actual, but in trade, Opem say, ya didn't quit a who dear Opem say, Mr. Samuel Adubuachi. Yes, okay, any yamray. Tianre call Opemsuo radio, and then Nedie. Yes, I call or Hinebe Hiahine, and so ho. Ya, and a fair na ye but said, it's in the name. Ama Holland for Ghana for more Holland, we use Ampa, Sikana yedema the Council of Ghanaian Chiefs Ghana for nyinaa gigi yeto boade ma wo mu ampa se konfo anoche oyare no yenso yede yedura yede aba yede beboa amiasa yare no because of you and that so papa also yi intime samre no ohene your friend osaberma asamwa kofi otoso nan aguna manu boshe just go on
aguna manu boshe ndia abakuma PC a senior divisional chief or a Green Traditional Council, precisely a Green Grass. Now I'm the president of the trainer of that council of chiefs among all the Netherlands. The Ogunani, the name Canada, Achim Beto Aguna, Ghana Beto Aguna, intimidated Agunani. And I still I was the Dachi Ogunani. Those who are doing go. Take a crowd. I am a boy in the G. Say any day. Getting near 2 and a month. Then if you are feeling from where if you take my assy. Now, I will give right. I don't know where the country. I don't know Atchas. And then I know Chilima and our woman only saw us. Getting up Kansas. Nenye bikaka. Ejina hamuna enye me asamakofi ena me yeye. Eye team ena yeye. Team na the youngest of the team was about
12 years.
12 years.
Yeah.
Youngest was 12 years. Ono ena or created even the GoFundMe platform. I see Kalina. Honey, that's fine. You couldn't some cassette and Yamida. See, to me, try some kind of Bunkunin fish, and come in one. They never be breed. Make me a share, I side the area. You know, as a thousand back on it. Now, the mayor have been the big group had no tear. The percent, I'm saying, yours who said, send an animal Mukai. GDA Yama on my and so coach you. Nancy, I smile with the smile, you be cold. Now, yes, you know, yes, yet Bruna do call you. The quiet man is a cry, and in Manano, Madaruma. Yes, sometimes I frame of you. You don't know from 25 April, the summer boy near Tiesi. So in Sorum, only in the Amavitiano, the Romans in Casana, maybe a 2 scene, or a Juma deal, Shishano, and also in Nania Trebos and View. Send me a Kushino, made or dog Brania, ever more confounding, so Tia sorry, agent on PT. The Zenia, yes, no, yeah, you call Abbey from Cracker, you know, being a scanning from here, I feel my not all. I also told him the association to one money. Right, unity for also in higher Kabu, none more walk like those account Abu Maya. You know, I congratulate a friend price on now you go, no, I hear Ghana, even nothing, Muslim Zobo, just say, and yet to go back and yen papa, or my back. I think was Antimaca, Traditional Council. I know my Juma now, to me, he said, I saw yin idea. No to me, man, Papa, because I used to be fast infection of my say, and one into your hand, Maria, a dear, I say, a chairman, and they say, and 2 1 and F, a mood, dear one, and you check a cashier, bum, and you are send a bayer. Next time, whenever I have a check, and a very assassin will visit the man. Opemsuo na baba. Confirm teaching hospital. Afi, every 7 years, appeared to some. As a hammer, Roman one, a beer. Lina said,
na police wapa Southern Ghana. But now hospital can see a pie, middle belt, every north, the ancient need. And now you see my NC company I see here in close. The age 70 years, you see hospital in the year starting. A bank. Dedication of mine being your hospital talking in no Ghanaian. And yes, see, now it means to man. Hospital and Yanisa. I have a good share no. Fees are buying my wages. As you say, a health insurance. Fees, no, I hear what you want to say and say what they talk consumer goods. Otherwise, we can't motivate staff. Maintenance and can't. Now, we say yes, see, a diet is here, and I hear major maintenance. Yes, it's equipment here. In that, yeah, I'm a and it says, yeah, payment for utilities in our background. Now, society neglect. Yeah, there's no man and the idea of Enti na me charge dia yura. Odi the 25 years. Ya otina sikadwa so babe ya Asantehene bra. Odi ni 25 years in fear to no and the silver jubilee. And of this scene is to say we be the idea of person ja or man and it's a confirmation one. Ocean crofo or non casan to say the Gina Brandon. Odi enim na ya fundraising in here to next year. Into a 10th of November. A year 2023. And of our part. Meka say omanfo ahibra nipa ebuchi esomu na dodo na akwaye corporate world individuals no eba na omakoten no ewo fo na nso nyame adom kakra aba na amaye neskani bi no yeso yanti anda yewura sami eduko ache ene nti adaro dumadie shase na nivisa mwabe ndoko akoshe eduma no akra yayi na amubehu se enyagu yebo modern se yebema hiu conference no ayi project eyeso no kokora free conference enti nipa o mo hwe so ni panimfo ededa no ene na account ni bibia no emfa conference sikro sani be ya gidie na nkofo bi nyanya nkoka edi omusika aba na be koso but san say nkofo wa dwenso ebe fra conference sikro na si nyesika ndunra onimra mo so na sika sese ye die new conference ni ese dia koto nu enti account no emfa conference account nipa na edi dwumani nyina so ye tumu achefo obia ni ho a oda katua so omo shasi nyina ni omo ye nyina meetings eso omo ye enkran ene Kumasi nyina na eso fi nkran eba na eso fi Kumasi konkran omo a ne fa omo bills ai omo contributions a omo de boa dwumadi na ye Confanochi mabe na yedi. Confanochi ba ye. Se wo hwe efi middle belt. Efi Ashanti region zone no a oposi love wa. Wo che Ghana regions no A60. Confanochi ehwe 12-13. Omodi omo cases ba ha emaye. Tamale teaching hospital wo. Na so na ho de nu ye de ni edu ba bi Jumadie ni go ale so mo sa de bre aye ya sham ya hwe no nko a yetiti doctors yetiti nurses yetiti pharmacists na ade a wo a ɔde titi nipa na ɛna ɛma no ɔhwɛ ma na experience na ama na ɛnya skills na ma ɔde ayɛ nti sɛ wɔmfidie nya na ade mfidi dada na ɛtiti nipa na culture of work no environment ni yɛ depressing a wɔn hwɛ yɛ nipa ne bɛwie adesua ɛno ara na awura ne mu a ɔno nso de kɔ akɔyɛ n'adwuma enti hill confanɔkye no aba mmirika mu a kakra a yɛhu no deɛ obiara bi hu a ne n'ani agye ɛyɛ na nkurɔfoɔ bisa sɛ na sɛdeɛ wɔsi ayɛ ha akɔfa abukyerɛ aba Ghana ɔbɛdɛn na moahwɛ so ɛno nso deɛ yɛhyɛ mmɔbɔ yɛde nneɛma atoto akwan mu sɛ yɛngyae ɛmma ɛmpansa wie the accident and emergency a yɛwɔ mu bɛyɛ nhwɛsoɔ yɛwura kɔfo abrɛ so no si ɛm sɛ ɛkɔ mfie bɛdu no yes and so wohwɛ accident and emergency a wɔm sɛ ebi a ɛnte sɛ sɛdeɛ yɛsi no no nanso yɛgu so a yɛkura mu a wosi ha ɛha ahomeka compared to some other hospitals enti hill confanɔkye no yɛde nneɛma agu kwan so a cleaning maintenance even the usage of the place no yɛde yɛde bɛkɔ ho ama sɛ bi nkurɔfoɔ a wɔde wɔn sika ɛba bɛwura mu no wɔn nnu wɔn wotie nipa ne bi a wɔde donations ne ba a nika schoolfoɔ nkwadaa tumi botwa na wɔn afrɛ chief executive na wɔn ama no check schoolfoɔ nkwadaa tete what it means ne sɛ wɔn chop money wɔn yɛde ama wɔn nso wɔn fa ne di na wɔn sacrifice a wɔn kyene kɔm just to make sure sɛ hill confanɔkye nti deɛ wɔayɛ ɛyɛ nika bebree ɛyɛ ni sɔ mo deɛ mo wɔ baabi a wɔn man na tu mpɔn ɛsen yɛ die yɛnam kwan so a yɛkɔ nanso yɛnuru wɔn hospitals no wohwɛ hospital ketewa ketekete hospital ketewa bi a me ebire bi mekɔ sra no ɛwɔ South Carolina ɛwɔ USA Eastleigh Baptist Hospital saa mmerɛ no mpo na wohwɛ ne budget a na ɛso sɛ Ghana nyinaa yɛ budget ɛfiri sɛ ebi a na wɔn wɔ fund bi a ebi a nkurɔfoɔ ɛde aka hospital n'akyi wowɔ nkurɔfoɔ a ebi wɔn atu wɔn ho asi hɔ sɛ mede kakra bɛboa na sɛne baabi a wɔn fi baeɛ no wɔn bɔ fundraising no yɛnya nto baakofoɔ so obiara de kakra obiara te aseɛ kyerɛ sɛ mesom bi a ɛbɛyɛ yie nti kakra no wobɛka abom no na ayɛ kakra na anigye sɛm so koraa mehu wɔ saa hospital no ɛne sɛ hospital adwumayɛfoɔ n'ankasa nso ɛyɛ donors to the hospital nti hill confanɔkye a yɛyɛ adwumayɛfoɔ kuo no a ɛwɔ hospital ha no obiara ɛnso so akɔno sɛ ɔdonate bi ba management team yɛdeɛ no bosome biara yɛkatua na yɛwɔ deɛ ɔte ɛde to hɔ a ɔte saa afe baako a yɛn nso yɛde boa nti yɛn nyinaa yɛ som ɛfiri sɛ wowɔ Kumase ha na wɔyɛ adeɛ yɛ den sɛ den na sɛ yɛantwodwo ano a yɛde osi aeroplane mu a ɛnyɛ yie ade sɛ aeroplane no yɛ air ambulance na Ghana ha bi nim sɛ air ambulance no yɛ wɔ bia nti nyame nhyira mo na wɔn de wɔn ntoboa afa mo so ankanka ne unity link nti abusuafoɔ a mowɔ Holland ɛne mpɔtam hɔ nyinaa a motie me wei deɛ monhwɛ adwuma papa a unity link ayɛ no so na sɛ mode sika ɛba fie a mone wɔn ni dwuma na wɔn nyɛ sika no biem na wɔn san fa bi mmra ɛfiri sɛ neɛ adeɛ hia no deɛ ɔtaa ka ne sɛ da ase bi mmra bi ɛda mo ase
Renovation planning as well for Confanɔkye Mr. Atuquest nti ato na ewia ho
a while ago. Nana Bedasi, Nikasa, Mo, a church and your mom be free now. When it comes to the fundraising, that's where I try to see what I can also add. Yeshasi and now if you say, Gayanka, none in year at the form. Say a Shasanka Yenya Ghana for best or Pipi Park, 1 million. Nanka Ghana Nibia Tia 100 cities. At the time, Nanka 1 million, $8 million at the time of the launch. Per committee, no plans idea. We felt that at the time there was DDEP from the government, so we felt that okay, then let's do crowdfunding. And no beboa nanka a corporate Ghana de omo dia ide ababa beka ho. Ye nya ne sa, ba nanka no nanka otumi say ade anka e fo pa say Ghana for wa Ghana ene amanone obi ase metia 100 cedis e dey support kuru ani so ade hu. In 2017, 2020, we can document from the Dutch government and it said Ghana for a war Holland and was about 23,000. Yes, I'm talking about in 20. I'm talking about 2017 document that I chanced on. No, this is a document on the official website. Yes. So if the Adjuni say okay, and then about 6 years down the line, if I say just about 10% about become, if I say 24,000 Ghanaians, it move say 30-40% a working age group. So our working age group, you understand, could be a current €10. And can if say, give it to me about €200,000 from Holland alone. I have the same statistics from every country in Europe. I have that of Germany, I have that of Belgium, I have that of Switzerland. And if we say Ghana for you who send ye to much juma, say I had ye yan, come on, Mutia Butcher in the and come on, who say, O mani chichino, in Yina buying so, Ankran, ye one dear. Meeting could say, Everma, more amanone. Moshe na saa message aba bedroom hono ye nyina ye kaboma e betimi asiesie Ghana na china se oba na oba bedru na se oba na kroduma ye fa wakasa mensu ye den e ka ho bi e ho a wote no abusuafo e wa ha wona wo ho BBC say kim mantema na awode aye konfa no chi ene e do beba umiemu ama ohene ni so ade hunu emrem ememu ma ono ankasa ebemu ema ne man Ghana ebemu ma Asantehene ebemu ma bonofo ebemu ma yenianom omo esrem ene ne mpatam isan say hwiebe e konfanoche ne de obeba ye ma ya bemu muye enimse kakra na mode aba no ya sombu yie papa Asantehene Europe nyina akra no omo so aka mo bo wa ya ade ba like na kan ye no ye opa ade ne ka se de ba de da si bru that's a baby in your day, and review. Yadamasi.
Asantehene da ya so e be mu a aja owura same edubu achi nso ne nkofo ye Joseph ni interpretative of never ye ya abemu sika ye jeje ye enne Asaberman Asamoah Kofi or your president of Council of Ghanaian Chiefs Unity Links you don't know Ghana embassy Umuniha, so far as the Ghana Indian side, the municipal and they are presented at the amount Hill Conference team. Thank you.
Going to make a I want to say I that no that be that call the here financial gas project no no I be yeah, so yes. Since, yeah.
So everybody's going to move from here?
Yes. We have to relocate them, then we have full control of the building before we work. So initially, where we were, the A block, initially we are working it in stages, in phases. So we've completed the 4th floor and the 3rd floor now. So as we are going, we will have the comparison between the new one we've done and the old one. As you can see, these are doors, but the offices already were existing already. So we improvise some sections of the, let's say, MEP activities, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing that were not in the existing features. So we compromise features like the fire alarm system, the CCTV camera to monitor. I learned initially there are a lot of thefts going on in the hospital, so we improvised the fire alarms, the CCTV cameras to be monitoring activities of people going in and out from the hospital. Then we also improvised air conditions in all the offices. Initially there were no air conditions. Then also we improvised fire alarm systems. So the rate at which fire occurs in this country is very alarming. So we improvised the fire alarm system to detect any section where there will be fire outbreak. Then quickly the technical team of the hospital can quickly access to it. Then we also improvise the fire hose reel. The fire hose reel is a system where it has been connected to the fire hydrant from the hospital, the hydrant in the hospital. So even though as the work is still ongoing, we have not completed the whole section, but we have done up to phases. So we've completed the first phase now, from roofing up to now. And the roofing aspect comprises of the existing roofing. When it rains, the whole hospital will be leaking. You know, the building has been in ages, 70 years, so the concrete slab is very weak. So we have to improve the whole concrete slab to prevent the water from seeping through. So as you can see now, you can go through and I'll be indicating some sections to you. So all these sections initially they were wooden, so we have to change them to block work. Yes, to block work comprising of serious block work. So here, then so this is the fire hose reel. Yeah, the fire hose reel. Yeah, this section is connected, as I said earlier on, connected to the fire hydrant to the main the basement. Then we can go have a look at the washrooms. Yeah. So this is how the new washroom looks like. The existing washrooms, there were only 2 washrooms. That's one for patient and one for staff. The existing washrooms. Then 1 bathroom for patient and 1 bathroom for the staff. Then so we have to improvise in our designs. We created additional washrooms for patients and for staff. Then also we improvise washrooms for persons with disabilities. Yeah. So excuse me, let me open it and let's see. Okay, so these are washroom with the persons with disabilities. So this, if the person comes in, like as he is, yeah, so you can hold it here, then you can have it. Yeah. Then you can
in case of lockup.
Yeah, then in case of lockup, or if you are here and you are having any difficulty, we have a system called the Nurses Call Point. This system. See, so when you press this system, this is the emergency button, and this, both are emergency button. But when you press it, it will indicate the nurse that a patient is here and is lacking or is need serious assistance. So we have 3 washrooms for the patient and 3 washrooms for that is bath and WCs. The bath, yes, showers and WCs.
Okay.
Then we have also the washrooms. We have improvised the system, the hot and cold water, the hot water and the cold water system. So no, you have to press it. That's it. Yeah. So this how the new washrooms look like. So then the staff, as I said earlier on, the staff washroom too was not enough. So we have to create a new staff washroom. So we created a new staff washroom by dividing 2. It's the same building, but you have to have access for the staff on their own. So we created 2 WCs for the staff and the shower for the staffs.
What about the patient? Do they have the washrooms?
Yeah, the patient washroom. You can enter and have a look.
This one?
But I don't know whether someone. Okay. So so you can see the patient washroom. You see, we have 3 WCs and 3 showers. Yeah, for the patients.
Wow. It's not operating.
Yeah, it's already operating. Yeah. So this is the wards.
Need maintenance.
Yeah, maintenance. Yeah, so regular maintenance. So then when you come to the wards, this is ward A5. Then the ward A5, the existing section of the wards, there were nothing like oxygen bed heads. Okay. So we have to factor oxygen bed heads for all the patients, every bed head unit. Those days they have to carry the oxygen when the patient is already using the oxygen. The patient, and be moving it up and down. So we created the oxygen bed heads for all the patients at their bed units. Then we also improvise the HVAC. The HVAC is the system whereby the extractor will extract the heat section of the in the room and bring in the fresh air into the system. But that section, due to the cost of it consumes a lot of electricity. So we are trying to connect it to the solar panel, to minimize the cost of electricity. But for now, we have factored it into the walls, but it's not yet in operation now. Of the ward, we've connected a Wi-Fi connectivity for the nurses, and also the tele is connected with the DSTV. Then like for them to have full comfort in the hospital before, So this is ward A5. So we are going to ward A4. Yeah. This is ward A4. So similar activity we did over there. Similar. A similar setup. Yes.
For instance, from here to this one, is it possible for an individual to adopt, or a corporate or a company to adopt?
Yes, it's possible. It's possible. So as we move further, I will explain further details to you. Then you can have a look. Because of the gadgets. So this section, the technical room, all the gadgets are here. The gadget that is controlling the like in terms of the CCTV camera, the Wi-Fi, you can name it. Everything is here. So this is the gadget that's. So this is the technical room. Yeah.
You are not going.
Yes.
I'm stuck.
And for this section, we have the gadgets. So we wanted the gadgets to be cooling as they are working. Yeah.
A system room.
Yeah, a system room. Yeah, on the control room. Yeah. Yes. So this is how it is.
And the cable,
The cable,
So are we seeing?
yeah, the cable. So the cable from the grids. These are how we connected everything. Yeah, in their each compartment. You know, they are all labeled. So if there's any faulty activity or any fault wire or lighting, you can easily access it from this side. So, yeah, so. Okay, so let's go to, we can end here, but I wanted to end at the far end. Then you just look at it, we can. The same thing on A3. So we can have, so on this section, yeah, so on this section, you see, when you adopt a word with your name will be embossed here. That's the wall of honor. Yeah, that's the wall of honor.
And then there's a wall of donors. Where is the wall of donors?
Donated
so far. I think we've got
the wall of donors too are there, but for the inscription is not yet completed now. Yeah, so when you adopt a word, yeah, you work on it. Your name will be embossed here, the wall of honor. So yeah.
Is there a specific price that you need to pay
Before your name will be here? For now, I can't tell. Let's only but you. Yeah, I can't tell the amount you have to donate for your name to be embossed here, but this is the wall of honor. So similar activity is the same on the third floor. Similar activity.
Any so di hu anasa de da ni so de ba ye no e ya de ba ko pe. E tin krase e mame e nana nkomfa nochi. Nim fio di osun akiri mu. Wagogo oyare. Enti no ohia mwa ohia se ye beboa na obia aboa ne asane yare. Asasum ya ye na tumfo epa hontuma ena kana nanom nso akoma se kwan bia so no yen ya yewo amanone titiri Holland ye kan ye ho abom ya to agege ntoboa kakra ne dia ba abeboa ama konfa no che yare san se entimi ankase ye betu asia ama apagenesi onu krampo na kito bia nso ye de beba na omo adwumadi ni si omani so no omo nya bibi kakra e de afiti ase enu nti na ye kan ye ho bomu ya ye gina ha no ye nyina ye Ghana forma nyina yeko no Council of Ghanaian Chiefs no nye nko a obi o ye Ghana bia ye de hye obi o krom ho bia ye de hye oyo he ene ohima enso eduru ba bi no ye nyina ye kan ho bomu ye funu ba ko mu ma Den Hague, I for Den Hague, I for Utrecht, I for Rotterdam, I for Amsterdam, I for Almere. I Hormona City Ghana for Woodbury. In Naki Kai and Sassy, a Kai Hubum, sorry, baby, and so no, a boy a chidom. Then in Yan, it took me as $11,000. Then ye decay, young femra. Now, so dear, we are dear nas £1 to Mansoa. Yana, I say, a shishakum. Senior Beya, Yamma and a Ghana for Holland, no so beji edi, send an animal try also beji decides Kaino. Oman Kosheba be bonnet, Oman for Koshisho Butu, name Mumno, Senior Mokayan, Oma etu Anamo Ediaba, Abehe, Babia, Adia Nosuno, Efitiasio. Into nearby, make a cry and say, they be tired, Jumadi and so, Echi. And Yamin Kwana me buy. Yami, Minamida. Council of Chiefs na ano then they was aberema asama kufia metoso enai agwamanu aboshinja kufi abakoma enemy senior divisional chief ewa Brain Brassy and a Brain traditional area and a president of the Council of Ghanaian Chiefs.
Oh yo medase okay sadia monim hospital in Sinweda Ice airport Ice Nipawuni intino we ya ba be hunu yen se oh said ye ba na ye de ye no ye kwa sabi ya sa ponkofo apum ebi kura na first one ye call about 10 meters and then ye project about 100 meters. So you best spread your wings towards companies omu operated from Holland, na omu originated from Holland, omu operated bibi to say KLM, a Holland for plane. A Shell company, omu ton petrol, a Holland company. There are more companies a Holland, nenso omu operated Ghana. To your kwatenase, na ya brainstorming, na ya means you bet me at least a source of funds from these big companies. Said you be in the near future. The baby sum na sikan cry then akos na you were Asantehene. The die so you know abem amemfaswaba in so. Ya minimum kasa me did in an ensure be body usubuatin a genim. You too for Asantehene in a damp and uncos one. But Oba Hollander, the draw now from in a bush.